Your color placement within a pattern can actually change the way that the whole entire thing looks in the end. Hey guys, welcome back to Prepare to be Floored, where we play around with some stenciling and create some very interesting and fun floor designs every week. So if you're ready to see how today's look goes, then keep watching. So this kitchen's floor is just plain gray, nothing special, and I kind of just want something fun in it. There's a lot of stainless steel in this kitchen also, so I'm gonna go with a cool toned look. Once I painted my grout and I was all ready to go, then it was time for the base color, and I'm just painting a basic glossy white onto the tile. Seeing that fresh white paint just really brightens up the room completely already. When painting tile, you're usually going to need more than one coat, and in this case I needed two. For our stencil, we are going to be using this cross pattern, and I'm going to be applying it all over the tile. I'm using this metallic shade in a pearlescent color, and I'm just going to be applying this to all of the crosses. After applying the shade to all the crosses, I took a little peek to see how it was looking, and I think I wanted some more contrast, so I decided to go in with a black shade and create a diagonal pattern going every other cross. This resulted in such a more bold look, and it also created a whole new shape within the pattern because of using the two different colors. Within this process, I also used two different brushes just to assure that my colors weren't mixing together. Using this simple pattern with two different colors really just makes the room feel so much more modern and up to date. The metallic shade that I use also complements the stainless steel that's in the kitchen so beautifully. Bringing some pattern into a room really just livens it up and makes it feel so fun. It really just adds so much light to the room. Head to our website to check out more of our stencils, and don't forget to tag us on social media with your stencil art.